So here's Calgary, Alberta's new tandem heavy rescue built by SVI here in Loveland. It's got a 26-foot tandem axle aluminum body. In the back compartment here we've just got some slide out tool boards with some cutters and spreaders here. You got there, and then you got two pre-connections for core that's tied to a power unit back there. And you got the cutters there with some room for chains or hose or whatever you want there. Then you got a couple of rams on this one and a couple smaller ones on this side here. You just got a 1,000-pound transverse tray on this one here. Only comes out 70% of the way since it's transverse. 1,000-pound tray here. Comes out 100% of the way. Got another big tool board here. That's a 750-pound tool board there. Pretty massive tool board. And you got a extendable winch here for the power unit. It's going to be on this tray to the bottom. It just works by this switch here. So they're gonna have a big power unit there that you can lift it up with this winch and then drop it off outside the body. You can see it comes out about 2 feet or so. And a fuel storage cabinet and a 5,000-pound winch there with the receiver. There's the inside of the fuel cabinet. You got a transverse module for the Stokes basket or backboard, electric reel with a junction box there, 1,000-pound transverse tray. Got a rescue platform here, then transverse storage for something there. Got the command light controls, then a wireless controller there, and then the wired controls for the floorboard. Toolbox. Got a couple of M9 LED scene lights, as well as some FRC lights and some 900 series Waylands. Back of the cab here, we've just got some cabinetry. Nothing too spectacular there. Take a look inside there. Just got an outlet strip. And then the front of the cab, got a little console. Got the touchscreen VMUX over there. Got some helmet holders. You got the personalized chevrons there. Front bumper, you got some little compartments. Got a big 12,000-pound winch with 2 core pre-connects there. And there's the winch controller. And onto the other side here. Got the other side of that rescue platform. You got a little bit of storage for some other stuff. The other side of the tray, and then the other transverse thing. You got a hydraulic tool circuit there that actually runs off the back of the generator. You got a bunch of all your 120 stuff. A 400-pound tray. Some 150-pound out and down trays. And then a 400-pound tray there, as well as a 1,000-pound, and some winch receivers. You got another winch up here for a Stanley unit that'll go down here. Got some SCBA tubes in the fenders, and then some airbags up here. Some storage, open storage here. 1,000-pound tray that's not too deep, but you can store some flat stuff in there. There's that other side of the transverse tray. Got a little industrial air compressor here. Sits back there and connected to this reel. We got the control panel here for the open and regulator, and your regulated pressure. Got some more SCBAs and the fenders. It's got some chevrons on the back, as well as a staircase. Got integrated compartments in the steps. Let's see in there. And then nothing too spectacular there. And then you got some ladder storage here. They're a little tight to close though. And then you got the floorboard right there. You got self-opening compartment doors, so all you do is pull up and they open. And they're lockable too, which is nice. You got roof lettering, got the big command light there with 2 metal halides. There's the hydraulic tool reservoir I've shown you down below. There's a ton of open storage up here. Got storage for 9 SCBAs. But man, look at all that storage. That's a lot of stuff. And then there's a little compartment here. You can see, but unfortunately it's locked. So that's the new rescue from SVI going to Calgary here. It's probably going to get delivered sometime this next week early. Have a great Memorial Day weekend.